A website portfolio provides professional information about an individual or a company and presents a showcase of their work. A portfolio displays images, videos, and information in an organized layout for your website visitors. If you have selected a pre-made template for your website, a portfolio page might already be displayed inside of the Pages and Pop-ups window. If this is the case, you will be able to edit the portfolio without creating a new portfolio page. In this example, we will be deleting the existing page and creating a new portfolio page. Click on the dustbin icon next to the portfolio, and then click Yes. The portfolio page will now be deleted and removed from the Pages and Pop-ups window. To create a new portfolio, refresh the page. Then click on the Pages icon. Click on the Add New button, and then select Portfolio. A new portfolio page will now be added to the Pages list, and the back end of the portfolio will now be displayed. When creating a portfolio, all changes and edits will be done on the back end of the portfolio. As with your website builder, the website visitor will view the portfolio on the live version, which can be viewed by clicking on the eye icon on the left-hand navigation menu.